Much is said about it. Almost everyone agrees that it's useful, but hardly anyone tells you how to do it. How do I develop my intuition and use it in my business? Well, here is a simple 3-step method that I share with you. Happy present moment, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Jeanette Salvatierra, and thanks for joining the community. Intuition is to find like a quick and ready insight according to the Merriam-Webster dictionary. And although it can be thought that is a capacity that only irrational people use, it turns out that both in science as in business, intuition has been highly valued. If you don't know me or if you don't believe me, I'm going to tell you that according to Steve Jobs, intuition is a very powerful thing, even more than intellect. And none other than the famous Albert Einstein has been quoted as follows. Quote, the intuitive mind is a sacred gift, and the rational mind a faithful servant. All great scientific achievements must start from intuitive knowledge. But is the intuition built, or are you born with it? As many skills in life, intuition can be developed starting from an innate talent. And the good news is that every human being possesses the innate talent of intuition. Intuition provides additional information to our conscious mind to complement the perception of our senses, the information in memory or learning, as well as any other information obtained by the rational mind. This greater diversity and amount of data, if interpreted correctly, will allow us to be more creative, innovative, and make better decisions. All very important skills for business people. Another typical doubt or misunderstanding is intuition is feminine. Men are not intuitive at all. And again, I repeat, intuition is a human talent, and although women develop it easier, gentlemen can also be very intuitive. Precisely for this reason, I use Steve Jobs and Albert Einstein as examples, two brilliant minds, two very masculine men who can confess using their intuitions to achieve their goals and success. That is why I want to share with you 3 very simple steps or recommendations that you can use to develop your intuitive innate talent. There are many exercises, but these 3 seems not only to be very simple, but also very effective because I have been using it personally, and I have seen the results in people to whom I recommend them and use them. I hope you are from now on one of those people. I hope this video is useful for you, and if it's so, subscribe to the channel. Share the video with friends, leave us a like and a comment with your opinion, questions, or content suggestions. Participate in this community created to support you to become a fulfilled businesswoman, happy with your life and prosperous. These are my 3 steps or recommendations to develop your intuition. Number 1, seek mental silence. The mind speaks and voice, she's very talkative indeed. And many of the more than 80,000 thoughts that we have a day keep us distracted and prevent us to listening to our intuition. So it is important to learn how to silence the mind, and then mindfulness practices, and in particular meditation, focus on breathing, is a very effective way to find spaces of silence, or as Deepak Chopra called them, the gap, the silence between two ideas or thoughts that through meditation can get bigger and bigger. Also, meditation helps you to raise awareness about your body sensations, which relates with the next recommendation, or recommendation number 2. Calibrate your body compass. The body, or rather bodily sensations, are the initial communication mechanism, and I rather say the preferred language of intuition. The sensations in our body give us clues about energy polarity, from the energy of the environment, of people, or even of the objects. Besides meditating to make your body more perceptive, calibrate the sensations in your body to understand how a positive energy feels and how a negative energy feels like. This calibration is done through thoughts and emotions, and explain quickly so you can do the exercise later at your own pace in a safe environment for you. Sitting in a quiet place, close your eyes and begin to take deep diaphragmatic or belly breath. When you feel relaxed, you will be at point 0 of an imaginary scale that goes from -10 to +10. Now, remember a situation that caused you a very strong and uncomfortable emotion. Locate in your body the sensations of that unpleasant memory. Describe the feeling, give it a number from 0 to -10 to rate your grade or degree of your discomfort. Now, do the same with the memory or a positive idea, a pleasant one. Locate and describe the sensation in your body and give it a rate from 0 to +10. So you will understand a little better how the sensations in your body relate to the energy of an idea through emotions. And in the same way, you will be able to calibrate your feelings about the person, and with practice about other living beings, places, and even objects. 3. Stay alert and request assistance. It is useless to activate your intuition if you are going to ignore it. And this is very easy to do, because intuition communicates subtly, and you must stay alert, especially at the beginning when she is just starting to manifest herself. So you can listen better to understand her, and place the intention in your mind to stay alert and program both your conscious and subconscious mind so they don't miss any intuitive sign. And you will do it just repeating the intention mentally, okay? The intention of being present for your intuition. If you're a believer in the universe, the force, God, the cosmic swerve, or whatever name you gave to divinity, call for assistance. Your teachers or masters of light will always be there for you to help you with your intuition development. An additional recommendation, especially for those more skeptic, is keeping a log. Write down the messages of your intuition and how the situation turned out at the end, whether your intuition was correct or not. I will dare to bet that your intuition never will fail you. By developing your intuition, you maximize your mental energy, your intellectual and creative abilities, keys to high performance and productivity. If you want to learn more about intuition in business, I invite you to watch this video about soft skills and this other video about your mental energy. The links are somewhere around this video or down below in the description of this video. Well, thanks, blessings, and we'll meet again soon.